At present we haven't sorted out the site menus, so they're just as they arrived out of the box, with a whole load of top-level menu items for all sorts of things, many of which we don't want. What I want is a much smaller number of top-level menu items with sub-menu items when we mouse over, and I'd also like the menus to be different according to whether a user is logged in or not. If a visitor's logged out, they should see a menu item to the member login page with a sub-menu to register as a new user. Once logged in, they should see a new menu headed by Your Courses with sub-menus to edit profile and log out. That's what we'll set up in this lesson. We'll use the plugin Nav Menu Roles to control the visibility of the menu items so that we can show these different menus according to whether a user is logged in or not. First, go to Plugins, Add New, and search for and activate the plugin Nav Menu Roles in the usual way. Go to Appearance, Menus, and then click on the Create New Menu link at the top. I'll name it Main Menu. And click on Create Menu. Leave Automatically Add Pages deselected. And select Primary Menu as the theme location. Then click Save Menu. Go back now to the test browser and refresh the page. And now the menu has disappeared. It's waiting for us to create some menu items for it. At the moment there are none. We need a new home page now, which we'll name All Courses. In the next chapter we'll put the Add to Cart button for the course here, and this is where visitors will come to buy the courses and subscriptions to the site. So that's the page created, just with some dummy text for the moment. Now go to Settings, Reading, and set All Courses as the home page. Go back to Appearance, Menus, and we'll add some menu items to the main menu. First select All Courses and add that to the menu. Click the little down arrow next to the word Page, and this panel is created by Nav Menu Roles, and it makes it possible to display menu items to logged out users only, logged in users only, or to control them by the WordPress role of the user. If we leave it as by role and don't tick any of the roles, then all visitors will see that menu item. Go back to the test browser now and copy the URL of the course from the address bar. Go back to Links in the menus and paste that in as the URL. Go back again and copy the title of the course. Paste that in as the link text and click Add to Menu. Make this a sub-menu of All Courses by dragging it slightly to the right. This menu item too should be visible to all visitors, so click the down arrow, select by role, but don't click any of the access roles. We need to tidy up the site now as far as the members are concerned, because we added some users in eMember before they were automatically added as WordPress users as well. As Nav Menu Roles relies on WordPress roles, it won't work for members who are not WordPress users. Let's delete all the existing members and start again so that we know that all eMember members are WordPress users as well. Go to WP eMember, Members, and select and delete them all. Check in Users, All Users, and delete anyone other than admin and yourself. Now we'll make all the conditional menus and then we'll test them. Back in Appearance, Menus, add another top-level menu item, Your Courses. And for this we'll select Logged In Users as the display mode. And then make a submenu item, Edit Profile. Drag it over to the right to make it a submenu, and I've also noticed that the Build Your Own Online Learning Platform menu isn't a submenu, I don't know why. Drag that over, make sure that that's a submenu of all courses. Make Edit Profile visible to logged-in users only. Check the display mode for the other menu items and click Save Menu. Now go down to the Links area and enter the site URL with !emember_logout = true appended to it. And give this the link text logout. Drag it over to make it a submenu and make it visible to logged-in users only. Now we'll make the menus for logged-out users. We'll have a new top-level menu, Member Login. Visible to logged-out users only. With a submenu item, New User, Register. Click Save Menu. Go back to the test browser. Refresh the page and we should see the logged out menus now. We've got no members now, so register as a new user, a new member. And we should be able to get straight into the site and see the logged-in version of the menus. For your site, you'll doubtless want to tweak that and alter some of the menus, but that's the principle of making conditional menus based on a user's status on the site. In the next chapter, we'll move on to setting up the payment side of the site using WP eStore.